So here's the website we created for Medullar Consulting. Now this is a business website. Now I'm going to show you the application that we installed into this website that helps simplify all of their business activities, from accounting to HR, management, customer service, and what have you. I'm just going to go through that quickly. Now I would log into one of the staff account. I've made the staff, that's myself, an HR consultant, an accountant, and all of those departments. So when you get to the dashboard, at the top corner, you will see HR, all the tools for HR, my profile, employees department, designation, announcement, leave management, CRM, that is for your customers, contact new companies, activities, all the activities you've had with them, schedule, next meeting, contact groups, reports. For the accounting department, you see the accounting dashboard, the dashboard for users, transaction, chart of account, bank statement, blah blah blah. Then you can also see new transaction where you see your invoice, estimates, receive payment, bills, payments in order, blah blah blah. Then for project, if you have different kind of project you're working with your team, you can assign projects and do all of that. So let's just quickly go through this. For the HR, click on the HR. You can see you have a calendar, a brief summary on the dashboard, tells you the departments that this particular person belongs to, the designation of what their job is all about, celebrations, are they celebrations for this week. So if anybody's celebrating his or her birthday, this person is going to see it here. Everybody in the organization is going to see number of employees found and all of that, because this account is new. You see your profile as a person. Now in your profile, you see everything about you, what's the work you do, the personal details, you have the work experience of the person, you can see the dependent and all of that, what are the jobs, you see everything for the job, compensation rates, the amount of compensation. You can update all of this information. Now because this particular person is an HR manager, it's been given the right for an HR manager, that's why you can do all of this. Leave, so if there are leaves he has requested for, you will see it here. Anyone that has been granted, you will see all of them here. Note, you can send in notes to the management. The performance, you can see his performance as judged by the management, so every of his performance results will be listed here. Employees, you can see the list of all the employees. You can see he's the only one I've actually created now for here. So all the list of the employees will be listed here, where you can now see all of them. You can see if they've been terminated, if they're dead, and all of that. Departments, you can see all the sample departments I've created here. Designations, you can see the sample designations I've also created here. Announcements, now you see this sample announcement that I created here. Whenever you make any announcement here, all the members will get it. Now you can make only certain people in certain department get it. So you can see this email I got here. This is my email now. The management of blah 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 wishes you a warm season of love, happy Valentine's Day. And then instead of having to send them it right from the dashboard, you can do all of that. You see the announcement, you see the leave, holidays, are there holidays, leave entitlement, the policies, calendar, report. You can see the age report, salary history, gender profile. You can see how it is. So you can see, so if you've been changing salary for this particular person, this person can see all his salary history. So you can see years of service, head count, leaves, and what have you. So now let's just go to CRM. Now the CRM dashboard is the dashboard you use to manage most of your marketing. To get new leads, you have to manage your marketing and all of that. So you can see customers, the new leads, opportunity, today's schedule, what are the meetings you are meant to have, upcoming schedules, companies that you have within your team, and all of that, the total inbound emails, that is the emails you received, and all of that. So you can see that even with this, and above all, you can start seeing the contact. Now all these contacts are created, can add new companies here, so you can have a detailed list of everything that in the activities. So whatever activity you want to create, now there are no activities for now that you've had with this customer, schedules, whatever meetings you'll be having with this company, contact groups. And you can also have activity report, customer report, and growth report. So let's just check it. See, there's no activity report, there's no group report because this is new. You can see the growth report. February says February. You can see that. Okay, you can check for invoice, tax payments, expenses, purchase order. You can see purchase order. You can create purchase order and all of that. So now we are on accounting now. So you can see in this thing, you can see the details that needs to be paid, incomes and expenses. So you have your own dashboard, so you don't have paying for any extra dashboard. Your website can practically do all of this. You can see your customers list, you can see your vendors list, you can see your employees list, you can see the sales transactions you made, all the expenses you made, the journals you made, chat accounts. So let's just look at it. So you can see what you've received. So you see your inventory statements and all of that, your inventory. You can click on each one of them to say less accumulated depreciation on office equipment, your paid rents, your rents that you've paid, furnitures and fixings. So you can see you have an accounting software in all of these products and services that you offer. You can add the product name, the tax rates, you can add your tax payments, how you've been paying tax and all of that. Report. So you have practically everything. Project management, you can add a new project. You can see there are no projects found now. You will know where the project is completed based on whatever you take by the management. You can add a new project here, what project category it belongs to. There will be different categories set by the admin. Then you can select user, set for any of your team member here. If you want to notify them, you click on this, and when you click add new projects, they will get an email. So you can see that this particular system within your website practically works and does everything that you need for your website. Thank you once again.